Does your skin feel tight, rough, and uncomfortable in the summer heat? Dry skin can get even worse in hot weather, but the right routine can keep it soft, smooth, and healthy all season long. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. Start your day with a gentle, hydrating cleanser. Avoid harsh soaps. They strip away the natural oils your skin desperately needs. Look for cleansers with ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. Wash your face with lukewarm water, never hot, to prevent further dryness. Step 2. Intense hydration. After cleansing, apply a rich, nourishing moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. Choose creams over gels for dry skin, especially in summer when air conditioning can dehydrate your skin even more. Ingredients like shea butter, ceramides, and aloe vera will keep your skin supple and glowing. Step 3. Sun protection. Never skip sunscreen. Dry skin is even more vulnerable to UV damage. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher with moisturizing benefits. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. Step 4. Night care. At night, cleanse tamply and apply a deeply hydrating night cream or facial oil. This gives your skin time to repair itself while you sleep. Summer doesn't have to be the enemy of your skin. Follow these simple steps and your dry skin will feel soft, comfortable, and radiant all season long. Subscribe for more skincare tips that actually work.